Hey, what is happening, people? It is day 23 here in Amazon, and I gotta say, it is a blessing. Oh, yeah. Starting off with some Baba Huddle. That's right. We always do some Baba Huddle for the safety rules and regulations and all that goody, good. You know what I'm saying? We got Ian and Devin in the scene doing their thing. I got the whole crew standing and listening. Oh, I love it. Yes, sir. That's right. Baba Transportation Services, baby. All right, folks. Today I got 8 tote bags and freaking 19 overflow packages. Anyway, you guys enjoy this view because man, I'm telling you, Salt Lake's got some views. Ooh, I don't know about you guys, but I love my job. That's right. I love it every single day. And did I mention this is the 23rd day? Yeah, here at Baba, we make sure we do the things right way. Yeah, man. Gotta take the photo, make sure the address is right, the room number is correct, all that good stuff. Put it down gently, take a photo of it, knock on the door just to make sure it's good to go. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah, more views. I can't get enough of these views. But this over here, this hallway, oh my God. Yeah, I couldn't. I had to jog it. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Check it out. End of the day, success. Man, I gotta say, I love this team, Baba team. It's one of those teams that you don't want to be like, you don't want to leave, and everybody's on point all the time, and the way everybody's energy is, it's just amazing. So that's my team, Baba Transportation. Anyway, I want to give a big shout out to my team, Baba Transportation, because they're solid as. But yeah, I love it. And my message for today is focus. Focus on your goals, focus on what you gotta do, and just keep going. And yeah, this is day 23. Yes, sir.